Okay, so in the first video I showed you how to hold the three instruments, cornet, baritone and p-bone or trombone. If you just blow into the instrument, you won't get any noise. Doesn't matter how hard you blow, doesn't matter how much you move your fingers, you won't get any sound. The sound is made by your lips. So I'm now going to remind you how to make the buzzing sound with your lips. The first thing is you need your little finger. And you put your little finger just between your teeth. Then close your lips around your finger. If you then try to blow out, if your lips are tight enough around your finger, no air will come out. I'm blowing as hard as I can, but there's no air coming out. If I then move my finger out of the way while I'm blowing, remember, finger between the teeth, lips tight around your finger, blow as hard as you can, absolutely blow as hard as you can, move your finger out the way and you make a rude noise. So that's the buzz. When you buzz into the mouthpiece, you get, and when you buzz into the instrument, and it's all just the buzz. Now I'm going to show you how the buzz sounds on cornet mouthpiece and baritone mouthpiece. The baritone mouthpiece will sound the same as the cornet mouthpiece. This is the cornet mouthpiece. Baritone mouthpiece. Okay, so I've shown you how to do the buzz on the two different size of mouthpieces. Remember, the trombone mouthpiece is the same size as the baritone. There's the buzzing, but there's 2 points to making a sound on a brass instrument: buzzing and tonguing. Remember we used that in the lesson? Tonguing. And to do that, you need to copy what I'm doing. Notice my lips are in the same shape as if my finger was there. If I do that with a mouthpiece, and with a baritone mouthpiece, so when you put those things together, the buzzing and the tonguing, you get a good, clean brass sound. A good, clean brass sound. And that's the first note we learnt today in the lesson, C. Remember, we used that hand signal for a C. That's the note I'm making, C. C, C, C. And on the baritone and trombone, it will sound like this. And finally, trombone, similar to the baritone, not quite the same. So, that's the buzzing and the tonguing together to make the note C.